Me. And 2.4. All right, so let's look back at this again. I had to start over and we missed a step already. Let's look back at it again. We have Jerry's dog weighs blank pounds. Kiara's dog weighs blanks times as much as Jerry's dog. What does Jerry's dog weigh? Or what does Kiara's dog weigh? I should say, what does Kiara's dog weigh? Yeah, this should be Kiara. However you're supposed to spell that. We said, when I called on people in the video that just got cut off, we said we multiply the weight of Jerry's dog by how many times bigger Kiara's dog is. Does everybody agree with that?
Yes.
All right. So now we put numbers in it. So now if we said Jerry's dog weighs 33 2/10 pounds, Kiara's dog is 2 4/10 pounds more, 2 4/10 times as big as Jerry's dog. We already said we're multiplying Jerry's dog weight times how much bigger Kiara's dog is.
Did you just make up the numbers?
No, these are going to be on the question you'll see next week.
Alright.
The reason I put in the blanks is because every year when we have problems like this, all of a sudden we throw decimals in here. People are like, I don't know how to do that. But if this was 30 pounds and twice as big, you would know to multiply 30 times 2. So when you have trouble figuring out how to solve a problem, take the numbers out and look on how you'd solve it without the numbers. Now we always estimate, so I'm going to say 33 times 2. So my answer should be somewhere around 66 pounds. And when I'm multiplying by decimals, I take the decimal points out and I multiply them like whole numbers. So that'd be 8, and that would be 12, 13, 0, 4, 6, 6. Yeah, thank you, sir. 8, 6, 9, 7. Now I put my decimal point in there. If I look here, close to my estimate, 66, I have to put it there. Otherwise, my estimate, my whole number would be 7, or 79, or 796, or 7,968 pounds. Plus, there are 2 numbers behind the decimal point in the problem. There have to be 2 numbers behind it in the answer. That is reasonable according to my estimate. But let me say again, when you have trouble figuring out what you're going to do to solve a problem, take the numbers out and then look at it and write a sentence on how you would solve it. Your sentence obviously isn't going to have any numbers because you don't have the numbers in there. And then use that to figure out how you would solve it. Thank you.